Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Honda Lagreat, which is an Odyssey. It comes with 76,490 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.5 liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. I did want to point this out. It does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. Both versatile and practical. Alright, we are going to take a look at the dashboard. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. 123,100, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 76,490. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Driving into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you. It really does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.